Hi, you're welcome to the practical questions. So these are carefully selected questions from WASI past questions. Now let's start with practical question 1, which is on pronouns. The first one is SSE November 2001, question 36. It reads, Dash have been friends for years. Dash have been friends for years. Now take note that the dash there, the space is supposed to be filled by subjective pronouns. So you look out for the option that has two subjective pronouns. So the first one is he and her, I and her, him and I, she and I. The first one, he and her. Realize that he is subjective, but her is objective. So that cannot be the answer. The same way, I and her, I is subjective, her is objective. The next one, him is objective and I is subjective. So option D, she and I, the two are subjective. So that becomes the correct answer. So you say, she and I have been friends for years. So the answer is option D. Question 2, and this is WASI June 2007, question 34. It was Dash whom they selected. It was Dash whom they selected. Now mind you, this sentence has a subject stated already, it. So whichever pronoun you are looking for should be an object or should be in the objective case. So for example, you can say it was he whom they selected because he is subjective. The second one says it was him whom they selected, and that is your answer because his is possessive. You can say it was his whom they selected because the pronoun whom is used for humans, and then himself is a reflexive pronoun, so that is wrong. So your answer is him. It was him whom they selected. That is option B. The next one, WASI June 2007, question 56. The new chief has no respect for Dash who supported him. The new chief has no respect for Dash who supported him. And a lot of people get confused when it comes to such questions. You have we, us, ours, ourselves. So automatically know that ours is out, ourselves is out, because ourselves is reflexive and ours is possessive. So the answer is between we and us. We and us. Now let's zoom it down. Now let's leave out who supported him out of the sentence. Who supported him? And then read the rest of the sentence. So to read, the new chief has no respect for, the answer is us. The new chief has no respect for us. So us becomes the answer, not we. You hear people say, the new chief has no respect for we. No, that is wrong. It is for us who supported him. So the answer is option B. Next, WASI June 2007, question 57. It reads, between Dash, there is perfect understanding. Between Dash, there is perfect understanding. You have him and I, he and I, him and me, he and me. Now take note, you are looking for an answer that has two objects. Two objects. Now let's look at option A, him and I. I is subjective, so it is wrong. He and I, the two are subjective. Option C has him and me. Him and me. Those are two objects there. So that becomes your answer. he and me, you have object in me, you have subject in he. So between him and me, there is perfect understanding. So your answer is option C. Wasi, June 2009, question 52. Like you and dash, Kate is a diabetic. Like you and dash, Kate is a diabetic. So you have me, you have I, you have mine, you have myself. Mine is out because it is possessive pronoun. Myself is out because it is reflexive. So you have between me and I. Me and I. Now you are looking for a subjective word in there. So the answer is I. So like you and I, Kate is a diabetic. Like you and I, Kate is a diabetic. So your option is answer B. So that marks the end of practical question 1. Next is practical question 2.